Hey, this is Freddie from Heybike. We have another Heybike studio video. Today, we're unboxing the Heybike Alpha Step Through. Here's the accessory box with tools, the charger, pedals, and the headlight. Here's everything that comes with the Alpha. Using scissors, cut off the zip ties and remove the protective styrofoam. Use the Allen wrench and head stem cap to install the handlebars. Loosen the screws on the head stem, then adjust the head stem so it's forward facing. Remove the 4 screws from the cap that will secure the handlebars. Place the handlebars into position and slightly tighten the screws into place. Make sure the bullseye is as close to centered as possible. Completely tighten the screws into place. Confirm that the handlebars and the head stem are properly aligned with the front suspension, then fully tighten the head stem screw into place. Place the cap cover on top, then fully tighten the screws opposite the handlebar. Using a wrench, loosen the bolt connecting the front suspension fork with its protective covering. It doesn't need to be fully loosened, just loosened enough to push out the bolt, keeping the protective cover in place. Remove the brake protection cover located at the disc brake calipers. Remove the axle protection covers on the front wheel, then loosen the nuts on either side so the front wheel can slide into the front fork. Lift the Alpha and slide the front fork into place, between the nuts and washers. Ensure the disc brakes are properly placed between the brake calipers. Fully tighten the nuts, securing the front wheel into place. To install the front fender and headlight, use an Allen wrench, open end wrench, and the headlight bolt. Ensure the headlight is placed between the front fork and the fender. When installing the bolt, ensure that one of the washers remains near the head of the bolt. Insert the bolt and washer. Then place the second washer and locking nut on the end of the bolt. Tighten into place slightly with the wrenches, then adjust the headlight to a desirable position before fully tightening it into place. Use an Allen wrench to attach the fender ears to the front fork. The front fender may be too close to the front tire. Adjust the spacing between the front tire and fender by loosening the screw on both sides of the fender fork. gently pulling back on the fender, then tightening the screws again. Connect the headlight power cable. Ensure that the colors are the same, then align the arrows on both connectors. Push the connectors together until they connect and stay in place. To install the pedals, properly match the appropriate pedal to the appropriate side. Each pedal will have stickers with the letter L or R on them. The left pedal should be installed counterclockwise. Use an open-end wrench to fully secure the pedal. The right pedal should be installed clockwise. Use an open-end wrench to fully secure this pedal. To adjust the seat height, unlatch the seat latch, then adjust accordingly. Make sure the seat is aligned with the bike frame. Each Alpha comes with an instruction pamphlet for how to properly ride mid-drive motor e-bikes like the Alpha, as well as more information on the bike. Please read and understand it. Turn on the Alpha by pressing the orange power button and adjust the pedal assist with the plus and minus buttons. Hold the plus button to turn on the headlight. Press the left or right arrows to turn on turn signals. To remove the battery, use the keys near the handle. Remove the battery cover by pulling down on the latch, then pulling out the cover. Place the key in the lock to unlock the battery from its position. Pull down on the latch on the battery to fully remove the battery from its holding. Pressing the power button will display battery status. To return the battery, simply place the bottom first back into its holding. Press it into place and you'll hear the clicking sound of it locking into place. Return the battery cover, then lift the latch up fully to secure the cover into place. To charge the Alpha, you can plug the charge cord in directly to the frame via the port on the side of the bike. The LED light will turn red when it's charging. Thanks for watching.